Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow. Apa khabar anda semua di sana? Khabar baik, alhamdulillah. I hope you all fine and fabulous. Okay. So this year is a second date now is a second episode adalah episod yang kedua. Okay. Episod special Raya 2022. This is Raya special episode number 2 and it's the final one because everybody will take a break for Hari Raya. So, kita akan mengambil cuti untuk Hari Raya, untuk bikin ni, bikin tu, clean the house, move the floor, hang things, hang that, okay, nak gantung tu, nak gantung ni, okay. So, this year special recipe 2022 for me, okay, adalah beef pasama ataupun pasama daging. If you don't do beef, you can do mutton. Kalau awak tak pakai lembu, awak boleh pakai kambing, So, and this beef pasama ataupun pasama daging, bila kita kenduri dulu kecil-kecil, bila kita nak kecil-kecil dulu kan, when we were young, when we have prayers, kenduri and all this, our great grandmother used to cook this old recipe. Dah lama menghilang, okay, it has been disappeared for a while, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this pasama daging ataupun beef pasama, okay. So I don't want to talk so much, and it's very nice, very delicious. It looks like rendang but it's not, okay. Dia macam rendang tapi dia bukan. Pasal apa saya tak pakai rempah rendang, saya pakai rempah kari, okay. I don't use rendang powder, I use curry powder. So this is another simple way of making, and it's easy. You don't have to rush to the market. Awak tak payah nak bergegas ke pasar atau apa, nak mencapai tu mencapai ni. No. It's very simple dan senang. Okay, I hope you enjoy. So here you go, beef pasama ataupun pasama daging. Okay, saya ada 2 ulas bawang besar, 4 ulas bawang putih dan juga 1 inci halia, 1 inch of ginger, 3 large onions and 4 clove of garlic. These 3 we blend first. Okay, kita blend terus langsung. Make it easier so that everybody will understand faster lah. Semua boleh belajar dengan cepat ni. Okay, so we blend this. 1 sudu makan asam jawa. I have 1 tablespoon of asam with 1 cup of water bersama air 1 cawan. Okay, kita romos-romoskan dia. If you have the instant one, you can use 1 tablespoon. Kalau awak ada yang paste instant, awak boleh pakai 1 sudu makan 1 tablespoon the paste instant. Okay, so now we throw away the seed. Kita buangkan biji dia. We use the water ni, kita pakai air dia We pour into the blending with the onions and garlic. Kita blendkan dengan ni terus langsung. Okay, okay, here it is. We blend, kita dah blend barang ni So I have 1 kg of beef. You can use 1 kg of mutton. I cut into slice. Saya potong hiris size sate, orang kata okay, jangan tebal-tebal. Tebal pun if you want thicker also can. So 1 kilo daging lembu ataupun 1 kilo daging kambing, terserah pada anda So these are the mixture that we already blend. We pour together. Kita tuangkan dia. Okay, and then I have 2 cups of meat curry powder. 2 cup is 2 cup, 2 cawan serbuk daging. Okay, ini pun kita tuang kat dalam ni. We put in all together. Okay, 3 tablespoon of red sugar ataupun gula merah, 3 sudu makan, tuang kat sini. Okay, 2 sudu makan lada hitam, 2 tablespoon of coarse black pepper. Okay, dan bersama kerisik, 1 packet of kerisik, grated coconut like that grated coconut oil. Okay, kerisik kelapa. This one kalang kabut, got no time to go to the market to buy a perfect one, so you just put everything, just get whatever you get lah. Melekat lah. Okay, nah, senang. Okay, so what we do now, we marinate this for half an hour. Kita perapkan dia selama setengah jam. So make sure that you mix all up. Awak gaul lah, ratakan dia Okay, awak dah ratakan dia. Awak peratkan setengah jam. Tak payah extra air apa-apa lagi. No need any other water or any other things. Just nice, okay? Because later we will add water whatsoever. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you marinate for half an hour. Awak perapkan dia selama setengah jam. And here are the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I have 3 large onion slice. Saya ada 3 ulas bawang besar dihiris. Halia 2 inci dihiris. 2 inches of ginger also slice. And then I have 4 clove of garlic slice. 4 ulas bawang putih dihiris. 4 sekawan, 4 beautiful friends. Okay, clove, cardamom, star anise and cinnamon stick. Kayu manis, cengkeh, bunga lawang dan juga pala. And then a bit of curry leaf, daun kari sedikit, 3 tangkai pun cantik lah. And then 3 stalk of curry leaf and a bit of pandan, screw pine leaf ataupun daun pandan sedikit. Okay. 1 sudu makan minyak ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee oil. And then I'm using, this is a small box of coconut cream. I'm gonna use half of this. Okay, saya nak pakai setengah saja daripada kotak kecil ni. Kalau awak ada yang 3 segi tu, if you have the triangle one, that one is enough. And 1 cup of evaporated milk, susu cair 1 cawan. Okay, ini yang telah kita diperapkan selama setengah jam. We already marinated for half an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna use a rice cooker. Everyone that who has this same rice cooker, those my follower, pada awak yang terikut membeli rice cooker ni yang macam gini punya boknya, masak lama, you can try. I also try. Saya pun cuba ni. Saya pun tengah nak cuba ni buat pertama kali. I'm gonna use this for the first time cooking this. Okay, so if it's fail, kalau dia tak succeed, dia tak menjadi, kita kena pindah ke kuali. So if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna change to a wok. Okay, so turn on, make sure it's hot. Awak onkan dia, awak kasih dia panas. Kita masuk barang-barang hirisan ni. We put in all the blended, all the sliced ingredient, including the curry leaf and the pandan leaf. Okay, kita tumis bersama minyak dan juga kita taruhkan minyak ghee ni. We also put in the ghee. Okay, saya tutupkan dia sekejap. I close for a bit just to let it warm up. Nak kasih dia panas dengan cepat sikit. Nampak dia dah bubble. Okay, I open already. Saya dah buka. Dia pun dah tengah mendidih, cantik. We just saute for a little bit. The aroma is so nice. Bau dia. Here to bring up the flavor, saya nak naikkan perasa dia. Saya taruh sedikit garam dulu. Just put a bit of salt. Okay, just to cook faster lah. Ada orang kata nak masak cepat, tapi sebenarnya ni untuk menaikkan rasa-rasa bau-bau bawang. Actually some people say this one put salt, they cook faster, but actually it's just to bring up the whole aroma, nak naikkan baunya. Okay, nampak? So I'm gonna close this again, tutupkan lagi sekali, kasih dia masak cepat sikit. Cook faster. Okay, your kitchen is clean. Awak punya dapur dah bersih, dah cuci dengan mangkuk semua, everything all wash already. Okay, just a bit more, sikit lagi. Okay, sekarang kita boleh masukkan daging-daging ni semua. We can put in the meat. Actually, you can just pour in lah, but I make it look nice with the video. Sebenarnya awak boleh tuang semua masuk, cuma saya cantik-cantikkan aja nak buat video kan, katakan. So, okay, awak gaulkan dia, mix all up. Now, the reason I use this because my pressure cooker dah rosak. Pressure cooker I dah rosak, jadi I pakai ni. Dia tutupkan, dia masak lama sikit. Okay, can cook and make sure that the meat can be tender, biar lembut dengan cepat ni. Okay, see, hopefully this beef will give us a bit of water later. Harap-harap daging ni akan kasih kita air ni. From the bowl, make sure kita taruh air sikit lah, just a bit of water, clear up here. Okay, sikit sudah, tak banyak, just a little bit. Okay, just to moisten the beef. Kita nak kasih dia berair sikit, nampak cantik. Okay, that looks nice. Alright, the color is perfect and beautiful. Warna dia cantik ya. Okay, now we cook this for 45 minutes. Now we close this. Tutup, masak selama 45 minit. Make sure you stop and restart Awak kena stop dan awak kena start balik semula Okay, benda tu, rice cooker tu agak lambat dan lembab because I'm very impatient. So the rice cooker a bit slow, so I put on the stove. Saya menaikkan dia ke atas ni juga. Baru dah dia laju masak You put back on the stove, then it cook very fast, okay? Baru sedap masak. Okay, kita masak sehingga daging dia empuk. We cook until the meat is tender, okay? Awak pandai-pandai lah, check lah The color is so beautiful. Lawa color. Bila daging dia dah empuk, once the meat is tender, you put in salt. I put about 1 tablespoon or a bit, slightly a little bit more. Saya taruh 1 sudu makan, hampir lagi sedikit Masukkan susu cair setengah cup dulu. I put half a cup of evaporated milk, okay, half cup. And I put half box of setengah kotak santan setengah kotak saja. Kita kecilkan api. We lower down the heat. Kita masak buat seketika We cook for a little bit with a lower flame, okay? Dengan api yang agak kecil sikit. Jangan deras sangat. Kita kalau pakai rice cooker tadi, minyak dia semua naik. When we use that thing to rice cooker, when we cover, all the oil separated dan minyak dia tutup. Cantik je color dia. Tapi dia tak nak menjadi sebab apa? Dia masak lembab. Okay, I boleh taruh susu cair lagi sikit I can put a little bit more. Okay, dah habiskanlah 1 cup. Just 1 cup lah. Okay, I close for a few minutes. Saya tutup buat seketika kerana dia percik-percik. Because it start to spew. Okay, saya taruh air sedikit. I put a bit of water. Sikit je dalam susu cup. Nak kasih dia nampak cantik Okay, kita masak sehingga dia empuk, okay? We cook until it's tender, alright? There you go. Pasama daging. This is beef pasama. Oh, wow. Tu dia, daging pasama. Oh, wow. This is beef pasama. Selamat kembali kepada masak My Style. Oh, wow. Tu dia. Daging pasama. This is beef pasama. Okay. Alamak. Oh wow. Memang sedap. Saya mengucapkan anda semua selamat Hari Raya. Semoga anda dapat bersama berkeluarga pada tahun ini. I wish you all a selamat Hari Raya. Because in 2022 in Singapore, you all can go for home visit with 10 packs. Awak dah boleh pergi ke rumah saudara mara bersama 10 orang. Satu kali masuk. Bukan 2 kali masuk. Satu kali masuk 10 orang. Okay. Keluar lagi 10 boleh masuk, okay? So 10 can go in, come out, and then another 10 can go in, okay? So I wish you all a selamat Hari Raya. Alamak, ni apa pula? I wish you all a selamat Hari Raya. Saya mengucapkan anda selamat Hari Raya dan akhir-akhir bulan puasa ini, okay? This the ending of puasa Ramadan. So I wish you all happy fasting and selamat Hari Raya. I see you all after a few days of Hari Raya. Selepas beberapa hari Hari Raya, nanti saya keluarlah dengan nyanyi-nyanyi lah, apalah. Okay, after few days of Hari Raya, you will see me come up with singing lah, talk lah, speech lah, something. Okay, so I hope there is a special after Raya recipe. Saya harap ada recipe selepas recipe special selepas Raya ni. Okay, alright, so bye bye, take care, selamat berbuka, happy breakfast.